In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put C.AI on Discord. If you'd like to connect your Character AI account with Discord, the process is quick and only takes a few minutes. Linking your account allows you to join the Character AI Discord community using your existing account, making it easier to participate in discussions, stay updated with announcements, and interact with other members of the community. To get started, open the Character AI website using your preferred web browser and make sure you're signed in to your Character AI account. Once you're logged in, locate your account settings and open the settings page. This is where you'll find several account options, including the ability to connect your Discord account. After opening the settings page, look for the Discord option labeled Go to Community. This option is specifically designed to help you connect your Character AI account with Discord. Once you've found it, click on the Discord icon or the Go to Community option to continue. Next, you'll be presented with the option to link account and join. Click this option to begin the account linking process. Character AI will then redirect you to Discord so you can authorize the connection between the two accounts. Depending on how you normally use Discord, you'll be given the choice to continue using Discord in your web browser or open the Discord desktop application. Select whichever option you prefer. If you're not already signed in to Discord, you'll need to log in before you can continue with the authorization process. After signing in, Discord will ask you to review and approve the account linking request. Carefully review the information being displayed, and if everything looks correct, approve the connection to continue. This grants Character AI permission to link with your Discord account for community access. Once the authorization is complete, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that the linking process was successful. This confirmation means your Discord account is now connected to your Character AI account, and you'll be able to access the Character AI Discord community through your linked account. If you ever need to verify that the accounts are connected, you can return to the settings page on the Character AI website and check the Discord section. It should reflect that your account has already been linked successfully, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can connect Character AI to Discord and join the official community with your linked account in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,